to the beach, the sun shining bright. Buckets and shovels, our hearts felt light. Anna, Kristoff, and Freya in the sand, ready to build with our own hand. The castle we built together today, with love, with laughter, where memories stay. Each grain of sand, a promise so true, a family's magic in every view. We shaped the towers wide and high, Freya's giggles filled the sky. Shells and seaweed in her hand, the prettiest castle in the sand. A wave came close, it washed away. Freya's smile began to stray, but Anna said we'll build again. With stronger hearts we always win. The castle we built together today, with love, with laughter, where memories stay. Each grain of sand, a promise so true, a family's magic in every view. Kristoff shaped the walls with care, Anna's towers touched the air. Freya's hands placed shells so sweet, their hearts in sandcastles couldn't be beat. Anna whispered a secret gift, magic snow dust, soft and swift. The castle shimmered, glowing bright, a family's love, pure and light. The sun went down, the sky turned gold. They watched their castle, strong and bold, hand in hand with hearts aglow, a memory to last as they grow.